Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product Clixit. So this is the members area and I am in the members area now. In this video I will show you the product from inside and what you will be getting inside this product. I will tell you everything about this product and would this product would be fitting for you or not. I will clear you everything. And also my second purpose is to show you my bonuses. Kind of $4,867 bonuses will be given to you totally free from my side. But I will talk about the bonus part on the later part of the video. And now let me start with the product now. Okay, so this is the product and let me start with a brief about this product. So as the name is already showing about, this product is all about click. Okay, the word click, C-L-I-C-K. Okay, so this product is all about clicking or mouse clicking or whatever you want to say, you can say. Okay, so you can just optimize the full power of clicks, your customer clicks or your members click or your subscribers click. Okay, so what lies in this product is that if you are getting 1 clicks per day, then this product will help you or assuredly help you to get you 2 clicks a day. Okay, so basically the main fundamental thing inside this product is what you are getting now, it will what clicks you are getting now every day or every hour. Okay, so it will double up the click, it makes it doubles. Okay, so this is the main thing of this product, and this product works on some HTML code and everything will be taught inside this tool. So this tool is all about giving you this HTML code, and I can show you because I have accessed the product from inside, and that's why I can show you the link, though it is illegal to show you the link because this product has not launched yet or you have not purchased it, but I have showed to you because I have talked about with the owner and he permitted me. Okay, so this is the HTML code and this is the review exercise, you can see. And inside this video he will taught you that how you can get the full power of clicks and what are the ways, what are the things you can do, what are the ultimate optimization of the clicks. Okay, so everything will be taught to you. Like you can think about when anyone is accessing your free bonuses, kind of ebooks or something like that, you can just offer them 2 free bonuses. Okay, if he or she is not convinced with one of the ebooks, maybe he or she convinced with another one, or you can just opt in, you can just simultaneously go through 2 autoresponders like Aweber or GetRespond, something like that. Okay, you can do with this tool. So these are the tutorial videos and all of the HTML codes and all of the usage and all of the facilities will be taught to you, will be just step by step inside the step-by-step tutorial videos. Okay, so there is nothing much to tell about this product. This is the owner, or this is the guy who is launching the product, Michel Sirosis. Okay, sorry maybe I pronounced wrong, Michel Sirois. Okay, so he is named as Michel Sirois, and you can see the product from inside that I am showing you, that these are the videos and tutorials, and this was the code. Okay, let me show you the code once. So this is the HTML code and it will be helpful for you with this tool. Okay, so this product is also very much cheap. Let me show you now everything, like review of this product, like upsells and sales funnel, my bonuses most importantly. Okay, let me go through every one of them. Okay, so this is a meme created by me because meme can easily tell about the product, easily just explain the product. That's why I always create meme, and it can make you smile also, though this meme specifically this meme I think would don't make you smile, but meme can make you smile. Okay, so this is the product and this is the ratings. You can see the content value. I have gone through each of the tutorial videos and I have rated the content. Okay, so content was good, and the main thing is content are so summarized and it is given within very short time, so the videos or the contents wouldn't take so much time or wouldn't be time wasting for you. Okay, so it will be up to more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes maybe. Okay, so you can just easily learn the steps with this kind of video or content. That's why I have given 97% inside content value. The value for money value is the price is also low, that's why I've given 97% 90% inside the value for money, and market hits it has got 94%, which is an excellent rating. Okay, so overall it has got 9.7, which is an outstanding rating, and you can see the pricings here. So if you have any query or have any worry, if you are worried about this product, you can check out also the Downsell. You can purchase the Downsell also, you can go for the Downsell also. Okay, so then you can try the Upsell. This is a way, or another way is to get the Upsell within just $12. This is very cheap. As you can see, this is so many cheaper than more cheaper than a large pizza's price. Okay, so this is the launch period, and they are giving you also 30 days no question money back guarantee, so you have nothing to worry, I think. So this is a button which will redirect you to the bonus and also to the software, firstly the software, then to my bonuses. Okay, once you have brought the product, then you will get the bonus. Okay, this is the condition of getting the bonuses. Okay, so with this product you are getting the tutorial videos and the HTML code, and also what is this product I have mentioned here, and also free bonuses, free 5 bonuses, and they have mentioned here, and you can check out them by visiting this page. And also my opinion is written here. This is untapped method, and also this is you are getting within just one time cheap offer. You should go through this kind of product if you want to earn online. Okay, so this is the sales funnel, and you can see the pricings here. And then first one is Upsell one, full throttle profits with 4 bonuses, $27, and it has a Downsell also, $17. And the next one is Clixbooster with 5 bonuses, $37 and $27 Downsell. And the next one is FB traffic loophole, Facebook traffic loophole, and $47. And the last one is commission booster, $97. Okay, so let me show you my bonuses now. So there are so many bonuses, and I have just categorized all of the types here. Okay, I have been collecting these kind of bonuses for so many days, and I have just put the best for you, and I have just tried to cover up to giving you all kind of bonuses, kind of all aspect bonuses. Okay, let me show you, it will clear you very much. So I am giving you case studies, kind of 2.9 million free visitors from others content, 9 way to make money as a beta tester. So the next one is to help you on Facebook live marketing with ebooks, and okay, so this is with ebooks and PDFs only, and this is also kind of same. And the next one is YouTube help, you can be a YouTube celebrity, video as money easy, and YouTube products. These 3 are. And next section is plugins, so you can get these plugins. As I have mentioned here, I can't go through all of them, and exactly I don't know also all of them. I can guess them only, okay, by their name. And I am giving you also free images, kind of 3000 plus Instagram and Facebook inspirational images, and 25 royalty free music loops will be given to you totally free once you have brought the front-end product from my site. Okay, so you are given also ebooks, kind of SEO, keyword mastery, unbreakable links, and full CPA, cost per action software, bias list blueprint, IM niche, sales letter rights with reseller rights. Okay, so these books will also help you to grow you online, and as you can see, I am giving you all type of bonuses. Okay, so you can go through, you can check out after purchasing the product all of the bonuses. So the next section is software. With the software, I am giving you Recuva, Animes, content engine. You can go through all of the descriptions here given here with the product, and I have given a short description, okay, for some of them, and for some of them I have given the full description. And also traffic analyzer, article analyzer, lead generation, content pop-up pro, and these are the bonuses. Okay, these are all of the softwares. I don't want to tell all of them because that will make the video lengthy. And the surprising thing comes here inside miscellaneous section. I am giving you 10 more softwares. Okay, so that is only for this product, and I am giving you totally free only for this product 10 more softwares. Okay, that will be given to you totally free, and 10 more softwares, kind of same, kind of like of all of them, as I have given 25 as an example, and 10 of them are also kind of same, and those will be also software, and that will be given to you totally free once you have brought the front-end product, which costs only $12. from my side. Okay, so that was the Clixit review, and you have to go through your purchase history option after buying the product, after purchasing the product from my side inside your Warrior Plus account, then you will can access the bonuses. Okay, so that is I highly recommend to follow this step. Okay, after purchasing the main product, after purchasing the front end product, you have to go through your purchase history option, and inside the purchase history option you will be given this blue button, access affiliate bonus. This is the only way to get the bonuses. Okay, so this button can redirect you to the software and also the bonuses, also my bonuses. So that was the overview of the product of Clixit, and thank you for watching the review video, and I am signing off for the video. So bye bye, I am wrapping up.